Did you know that Singapore's hot and humid climate makes cleaning your home a challenge? The moisture it brings creates all sorts of issues throughout the place. So how do we deal with a humid home? Here are several tips to get you started. First, always check for water damage. Moisture can damage various parts like your cabinets and the area below the sink. You'll want to check for water stains or warped materials. These will need repairs, not cleaning. Second, wipe your windows often. This will prevent condensation from building up, especially near the tracks and rubber seals. If there's too much moisture on them, mold could start growing. The third step is to use your air conditioner properly. Be sure to clean the filters so it can blow out air to the fullest. Check the drain lines for any clogs or leaks that could cause condensation. And do adjust the settings so the AC can dehumidify the rooms. Also, don't forget to keep your home well ventilated. The more air you have flowing freely throughout your spaces, the less moisture that stays indoors. Proper ventilation is also important for removing mold. If it's still not enough to deal with mold growth, consider investing in a dehumidifier. In any case, you'll want to keep the humidity levels below 50%. If the problem persists, you can also get a professional cleaning service to deal with it. A regular deep clean is important in rooms that experience higher humidity levels than the others. These mainly pertain to your bathroom and kitchen. The tiles and grout lines can be susceptible to mold, so give them a good scrubbing. You should also mop up any spills or puddles as well. And don't forget your storage spaces. Be sure to have them cleaned and aired out frequently too. Maintaining a cozy living space despite Singapore's climate is challenging, but not impossible. If you need help keeping a regular cleaning schedule to fight back against humidity, KungFu Helper is here for you. Contact us today and let's create a cleaner and more comfortable home.